So, one of the most common emergencies that we see in cats are blocked cats. Snow is a 1.5-year-old cat that came to us last year in an emergency. Snow had been blocked for more than 24 hours where he had not urinated on his own at all. And when he came to us, he was completely comatose. His electrolytes were extremely abnormal with a very, very elevated potassium. And we had to, in an emergency, place a urinary catheter to unblock him. He was extremely critical for the next 24 hours. We had to monitor his urine output. We had to make sure that he was receiving the same amount of fluids that he was eliminating in the form of urine. He got better in about 1 to 2 days and was released with a urinary catheter. But after a recheck in 2 to 3 days, we decided to remove the urinary catheter because he was urinating around it. Unfortunately, he happened to get another incident of the urinary blocking where he got blocked again, could not urinate for a very long period of time, had to be catheterized again. And this episode happened again for the third time in an emergency about 2 weeks ago. After the third incident, when he came in the night and was extremely, extremely critical again, they decided to go ahead with the surgery where Snow underwent a perineal urethrostomy, where the narrow part of the penis is resected and the penis is opened up at an area which is fairly wider to prevent them from getting blocked again, to prevent the mucus plug from blocking the passage of urine again, and to prevent them from getting another episode like this again. Snow underwent that surgery yesterday, and as we all can see, he's doing really well. He's extremely comfortable, of course, a little upset to be in the hospital, but he's urinating normally, and it's a great relief to see him this healthy and this active after a while.